To easily make a YouTube thumbnail that will stand out, jump into Canva. Also, pull up remove.bg in another tab. Choose a picture of you or whoever your content is about, upload it to remove.bg, and download the transparent file. Side note, photos of people with big expressions often do really well in ranking on YouTube. Once you have the transparent file ready to go, upload it to Canva and figure out what kind of background you'll want. Don't choose anything too busy because it'll be distracting and will make your text harder to read. Plain color backgrounds work really well. Then choose a bold text for your thumbnail and write a few words to help you describe your video and make it look interesting. Sometimes using two fonts looks nice. Just make sure you're using the same fonts every time you upload to create a consistent look in your YouTube online presence. After you've created a thumbnail that looks great, zoom all the way out and see how it looks as a really small file. Can you still read the text? Does it stand out? Would you click on it if you were searching for related terms? Once you've finalized it, download the PNG file and upload it to your YouTube video.